And now, weather on the 3s.
We can hear the rain here at the station. It's moving in from the ocean right now, right onto Myrtle Beach and into the 17 bypass heading through Carolina Forest. These showers are all moving north, so east of Conway we'll get some rain. Also back up towards Aner, heading towards the Sellers and Marion community, and further north through Dillon and all the way up into Laurinburg. Spotty downpours, but no thunderstorms right now. The more severe threat sitting back to our west. In fact, 2 tornado warnings right now through the Atlanta metro area, Cobb and Fulton County until 6 a.m. there. So a lot of people under that severe weather threat in Atlanta, and a tornado watch through much of Georgia. Now, ahead of this line of storms today, we do have the threat in the Carolinas for isolated severe storms. So be aware of that. Although we don't have this large area of rain out ahead of it, there's enough instability, heat, and moisture to produce the threat for severe storms today. Not everyone, though, will see rain even today. That heavier line of storms arrives tomorrow morning for your morning drive. Wind, hail, and even tornadic threat possible today, so keep that in mind through your midday, right around lunchtime, early afternoon. Isolated storms possible in both Carolinas, but the bigger threat for rain arriving tomorrow, and the threat for some gusty winds as well. 70s this morning, a warm morning. You can definitely feel that energy out there. It's a warm, humid start. We'll head into the middle 80s. Southeast winds today ahead of that front, getting a little bit gusty at times. By noon, again, notice the chance for an isolated storm. That line of storms, though, heads in tomorrow morning. Hurricane Gonzalo, more on that later, but know that it was going to stay away from the U.S., so it's not a big threat for us. And as we go out today, not a good beach day. Small craft advisory, 3 to 5 foot waves and gusty winds. Your forecast this Tuesday, warm and windy. That'll be all day. Scattered storms continuing as we get into the afternoon, but the bigger threat for rain arriving overnight. Keep in mind, though, the isolated potential for severe storms today. Showers and thunderstorms overnight, but your morning drive on Wednesday, that's when we have the heavy rain pushing into the PD. We will be dealing with that through the day tomorrow, and as we get into the afternoon, we are going to continue to deal with rain tomorrow. That front will finally pass through tomorrow evening, and then we'll cool down through the second half of the week. 70s and 50s returning. Going to be a little bumpy, though, through the next day and a half or so, so we'll keep our eyes. The storm team will be here through the next 2 days, watching the radar this afternoon. It's one of those things where most people won't even be seeing rain, but there is that chance for an isolated storm. So just want people to be aware of that today. Everyone will be getting rain tomorrow.